Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about the latest in AI and creative tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. It's your tech insider iFinance Mystery here, and today, we're diving into the latest jaw-dropping updates from Midjourney's new tool, Patchwork. Patchwork is revolutionizing the world-building process. What used to be time-consuming and complex is now streamlined. With Patchwork, users can create entire digital worlds in minutes, filled with characters, events, and places, all on a collaborative platform that makes storytelling seamless. Known for its AI-driven image generation, Midjourney now steps into dynamic world building. In this video, we'll break down how Patchwork works, what sets it apart, and why creators across industries are embracing it. Plus, we'll explore Midjourney's plans for immersive 3D environments and tools like video models that are set to redefine creative workflows. By the end, you'll see how tools like this will shape the future of storytelling and gaming. Let's dive in. At its core, Patchwork is a world-building platform that combines AI-driven storytelling with an infinite digital canvas. It lets you design characters, events, and locations, and visually connect them to create cohesive narratives. Accessible through the Midjourney Discord, the interface is minimalist, featuring a toolbox for creating characters, factions, places, and more. Want to make a new character? Type a name or prompt, and Patchwork generates a unique profile, even with an AI-crafted visual. You can also link characters, events, and locations to show relationships or narrative flow. With tools like the random generator, Patchwork keeps ideas fresh, and you can download your progress as a JSON file to share and save your world. But Patchwork is more than just individual elements. You can create portals to switch between worlds and collaborate with up to 100 users at the same time, making it ideal for team projects. Patchwork is a Swiss Army knife for creatives, writers, filmmakers, game designers, and even comic book creators can use it to brainstorm, storyboard, and map out campaigns. It's also catching on with tabletop RPG enthusiasts, allowing groups to create non-playable characters, events, and maps for immersive campaigns. Its real-time collaboration features transform creative work from a solo endeavor to a collective experience. And thanks to advanced AI models, the generated content is not only functional but rich in context. For creators working on serialized content, Patchwork ensures consistency across images and storylines. With Midjourney version 7, expect even more advances in this area, and don't worry about losing your work. Patchwork lets you download and save everything, ensuring your creations are always safe and portable. Looking ahead, Midjourney's ambitions with Patchwork go beyond 2D. The goal is to bring immersive 3D virtual worlds to life, where you can navigate your creations in real time. Companies like Google and FFIL World Labs are also developing similar tools, but Patchwork stands out for its depth and accessibility. In the near future, Midjourney will launch features like video models for creating animations, and image referencing to align outputs with specific user visions. Plus, Midjourney is exploring hardware innovations that will make creative tools even more accessible. Patchwork isn't just a new tool, it's a game changer for how stories, games, and virtual worlds are created. It democratizes storytelling, allowing anyone to create intricate worlds without needing technical expertise. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, Patchwork makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. Thanks to its collaborative nature, Patchwork has the potential for viral success, whether it's a tabletop RPG campaign or a filmmaker using it to pitch a groundbreaking idea. The possibilities are endless, and the platform is only going to get more powerful. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates, and check out our recommended video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. This version keeps it concise while still highlighting the key points of the video. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments.